Okay, so today we're going to be exploring iPhone's setting app. This is just what we're going to go over. So we're going to go over the wallpaper, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, ringtones, notifications, focus, Siri and search, and video, all located in the settings app. So first, for wallpaper, you go to settings app and you look for the wallpaper where it has that little icon. And then you will get directed here, which is shown right there. And you'll press on add new wallpaper. Then you'll see all the options. Choose your ideal one. On the next slide, I will explain how they all work. So wallpaper, by clicking this, you will be able to choose a picture from your photos as your wallpaper, which is shown right there on the left. So by clicking the little green icon, you'll be able to choose specific pictures of people that come out in your gallery the most. So by clicking the purple photo shuffle picture icon, you'll be able to choose many images and it'll create a shuffle. So basically just pick a bunch, like I think max like 50 pictures, where like it just goes like you can modify it to be like on and off, it's a different picture, or by the hour it's going to be a different picture. I actually really like that feature. It's really fun. So by clicking the live photo button, you'll be able to choose live images you have taken. So live photos are like you hold and it's like, I think like a few seconds of when the picture was taken. I like that feature. So for Wi-Fi, to find the Wi-Fi setting, you go to settings and then you will see all the networks available. Then look for, you look for the Wi-Fi icon, and then you see all those networks available shown on like on the right. And then for Bluetooth, to find Bluetooth in settings, you go to where it says Bluetooth, and then you'll see all the devices available. Like they'll come up once you like connect your Bluetooth device. And then for ringtones in the settings app, you go to where it says sounds and haptics. I've never really known how to say that word properly, but I think it's haptics. And then you are able to see all the ringtone options. Make sure to click on them to hear the noise. So yeah, once you click on them, they should have like the noise that pops up. So to find notifications in settings app, you go to where it says notification, it's like a little bell. And then you'll see all the options available for notifications, like all the apps that you want to like turn off notifications, turn off. Then what is focus? According to Google, you can use focus to temporarily silence all notifications or allow only specific notifications, ones that apply to your task, for example, and let other people and apps know you're busy. So this is kind of where like do not disturb, that like option to put that comes in. That's pretty much what one of the options for focus. So for focus, you find where it says focus and it's like a little crescent moon. You'll find options and you can edit them. So yeah, that's do not disturb, driving. Those are like you can modify it. So like I think they have specific options, but you can customize it so it looks like where like you're driving or like only like a person Liz can talk to you or something like that. So for Siri and search, to find Siri and search, you go to settings where it says Siri and search, and like it's her icon that pops up. You'll find all of these sources available here on the right where it shows everything that Siri can do, everything you can like tell her or you want her to do or don't want her to do. So you can customize it. Thanks for listening. If you'd like to learn this lesson with a Cyber Seniors mentor, please go to www.cyberseniors.org or call 1-844-217-3057 to register for a one-on-one phone session. We also host weekly tech drop-in sessions from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Time on Thursdays.